Good day, good evening, good night. Another ghetto video for you. I'm going to take the Caterpillar walking stick for a good test drive today. Seems to be a nice day. Ghetto video, no tripod. Where is this video going to go? I have no idea. It is a gorgeous day in August. We are at 1.8 kilometers, 26 minutes into this generic ghetto video. That looks like a nice little place to make lunch. I've never sat there and made lunch before, but we'll try going up Grand Mountain a little further though. Got to cross the highway. And we'll talk a little bit more about that as we go up. There's a Johnny shadow. Hello. Don't forget to check both ways before crossing this here highway. And the Caterpillar walking stick is so far doing good. Just dulling the point a little bit here as we go across highway. Okay, while it's quiet, I'm gonna go to that there power line you see right about there and then kind of work my way up. I'll try to get to that knob there. And here comes a car here now, so that knob there. And that there is not the summit. It actually goes way over here and then down and then way back up. I'll try to get to here. You can kind of see the power line kind of weaseling through here. Let's see how that looks. Tastes good, feels good, 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 good for me, good for me, good for you, good for you. That's always this steep stuff that gets the heart pumping. So far, it's doing pretty good. The grip is right about here on this incline, and I like it because it's light and nimble. So far, so good. Always a good way to warm up in the morning. Johnny Shadow. The blade coming with me today is the Cold Steel SRK, and I did a modification. I didn't do a video on it yet, but I will. Remember how the sheath was always rubbing on the edge and dulling that nice, sharp, crisp point edge? Well, I fixed it. We'll do a video coming up soon. Now I ask you, how did I miss pole 9?
How dare you?
What do we have here? Some kind of a comedian. Private joker. There's always that inner voice. Give up. Turn around, go home. Okay, Johnny Shadow. You made it up. All right, so the payoff. I like this. I like this ridge. I gotta be careful not to get too close to the edge. But it's a beautiful ridge here. A little cool breeze. And right about, I think let's see, right about there. That's usually where I do some of my Into the Woods videos. That's the town I'm living in. Smoky River down below. And I think this is a good place to have some lunch. So when it comes to the gear that I've taken up here, some of you might be interested in this format that I'm using. You can see I'm using the USGI canteen carrier, just putting stuff in there. And I got another little kind of a thing there where I've got the canteen and a cup, you know, it's a lighter, pretty light, and I've got a little firebox in there as well. I'll pull all this stuff out maybe and show it to you in another video, but I just kind of do the bandolero thing, and it's a lot easier or a lot lighter than coming up here with my Alice pack, that's for sure. These are coming out of a 2010 MRE. I'm sure they're going to be fine. Here's a little survivor. Here's a little survival tin I just put together not too long ago. Let's see what's in it. There's that little green lighter I'm looking for. Today marks the first time I've ever used the firebox stove like this. Nothing quite like making a coffee on a ridge with a view like this. And they come along and ruin it. 3 hours? Oh, 4 hours and 7 minutes. 8.83 kilometers. Hope you enjoyed that short video where I took you up right about to there. Anyways, bye for now.